Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And hey, if this is your first time, please don't forget to give us a little thumbs up and subscribe right here, in that button. It's so easy. You don't have to waste too much time just clicking it, okay? And today we're gonna take you a little bit on the past, you guys. April 26, 1992, Hard Rock Cafe Tijuana opens its doors for his first time. And hey, I am proud to say I was opening the staff. We had the chance to see some great performers that day. And obviously, over the past of the years, this chain, it was like a world famous. So today I'm gonna teach you what it was actually the specialty of the house. Today we're gonna make the Hurricane by Hard Rock Cafe. Please stay here with us and let me show you how it's done. How are we gonna do the Hurricane? Very simple. This is one of those tropical, excellent cocktails for a really hot, humid day. And today is hot and it's very humid. So without any more announcements, we're gonna go for the proper ingredients. We're gonna go for 1 ounce of white rum, 1 ounce of gin, we're gonna put dark rum, 1 ounce as well. And we're gonna go for the nice tropical juices. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces. Orange juice, 2 ounces. Grapefruit juice, 1 ounce. And the interesting part, guys, about this cocktail is the hard rockers. We used to actually make it back in the days when we used to do a little bit of flair, kind of like the same as TGA Fridays. We used to do it on the forehead, or every single bartender will have a style. Obviously, I'm a little bit rusty, and I don't want to sweep my pride trying to show you this thing, but it was pretty fun back in those days. So we have actually our cocktail almost done. We're gonna top it up with a splash of Amaretto. And you're gonna finish it with a splash of Grenadine. You're gonna garnish this guy with a maraschino cherry and an orange wedge. And there you have it, you guys. For those tropical days, the Hurricane. Cheers.